Hello, hello, hello. I'm so happy today. Let me bring my video up a little bit though. In case somebody's watching, I don't want them looking all into my chest area, okay? So, let me move my big ass planner out the way and talk about what my husband just brought me. So, I've been eyeing the new typewriter that came to Michael's. I know you guys have seen it. If you haven't seen it, don't worry, boo boo. I have one right here for you. So the typewriter comes in pink and it comes in black. Of course, I've been wanting me a vintage typewriter for the longest. And I've been wanting it to be actually in pink. And looking at the prices online, trying to find a pink one has been ridiculous. It's like if you're going to get one, you're paying anywhere from $200 up to $500 for just a typewriter, and it's vintage. And on top of that, it only prints out, it only types on 8.5 by 11 paper, which sucks, okay? But the one at Michael's, you can use 12 by 12 paper in it, which makes it ding, 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 the bomb, okay? And on top of that, it comes in two colors, pink and black. I was going between if I wanted pink or black. Pink, I love the color pink. But black gives me this nice classy feeling to it. And for my new office space, my color combination there will be black, white, and a pop of gold. But my husband just surprised me with one. So here it is. It's the pink one. Oh my god, guys, I'm so freaking happy and excited about it. I don't even know how to freaking act. So it's $1.99 and the color is called blush, but I mean, come on, I'm gonna call it pink. And it's not the pink I would normally go for. I like a hot pink. That's the type of person that I am. But guess what? This won't be too off from, it won't take away from the other colors in my room, you know? And it'll still serve its purpose. So, I have, and actually I'm happy with either the pink or the black one. But here it is. And it's $1.99. Now, I know a lot of people have been talking about, oh my god, the price of it, $1.99 is just too much money. I'm going to wait till the price point come down, blah, blah, blah. I say go right ahead because guess what? At Michael's, you have 180 days to return something with the receipt. So you want to make sure you have your receipt with you when you return it. My receipt, 180 days, expires on 2/17/2017. That means we have Black Friday coming up. And when the price goes down, guess where I'll be? I'll be at Michael's returning my machine and getting the difference handed back to me. Because I'm a true crafter. I've said it time and time again. When I say that I'm a true crafter, I'm a real crafter. I'm one of those real ones. Real crafters, we don't take stuff out the box as soon as we get it. Let's just keeping it real. That's how it is. We don't. We take maybe a year sometimes to take our stuff out the box. And then the trend has left. But guess what? People are still using it. People are still coming into it because it's just like with washi tape. Washi tape was huge at one point in the crafting community. And then the trend kind of fell off. People weren't buying washi tape so much anymore. We kind of moved on to other things. But then all of a sudden, Pretty Planning popped in. And when Pretty Planning popped in, all of these planner girls were interested in getting washi tape. But for me, I had collected a lot of washi, and I just wasn't collecting any more washi anymore because, hell, I wasn't using it fast enough. But then these companies find out these girls doing this pretty planet. They want all this cute washi. Let's keep on going back. Let's get back into the washi. And guess what? Washi is now popular once more again. That's just how trends work. So with that being said, typewriter will always be in trend because at one point everybody was having a typewriter stamp, even including me. I had a typewriting stamp set in my arsenal, or whatever you want to call it, collection. And typewriters, they just are just trending. That's just one of the things that are trending. They're not trending like flamingos and cactus and all that stuff right now, but they're still popular enough for people to want to go out and buy them. And we are memory keepers. Yeah, I did the damn thing with that. I can't wait to open it. But if you want to see a video of somebody unboxing it, check out my girl Victoria Marie. She has a video up on her YouTube channel. I will try to remember to link it below. I can't promise you anything. You know how I am. You know I might forget to link it. So if you can't find her channel because you did not search for it, don't come back here asking me what's her channel. Look her up right now. Search Victoria Marie on YouTube and you'll find her. What else been going on? So recently, this girl from Japan, African American or black, like I want to say, Tara wrote a blog about me, and this is the first time someone has ever wanted to, you know, interview me, and it was so nice to do it. I had a great time. When she asked me about it a while back, I answered the questions at the time, but so much has changed since I answered those questions, and she actually reveals that in the blog. But I will have the post to that linked below for you guys to go over there and watch it, and please comment on it. I would appreciate to see any comments, especially from my followers. What else is going on? I have a new blog. It's called Inside Scrap Edition, and I am using that blog to focus more on creating other stuff with other images besides pink bow ties, and just so people can see the stuff that I'm creating, you know, building sort of like a resume online if you want. But it's called Inside Scrap Edition, and I will post a link below for that as well. I know I've been talking about this, about my new stamp sets coming out. They really are coming out. I promise you. It probably won't be until the first of next year, but they are coming out. I'm also closing my Etsy shop down toward the end of the year, because I'm going to actually move to another spot. And I will tell you guys about that later on. I have a black Santa sticker that I will be introducing to people. And, you know, if you're making Christmas cards like me and you want to buy the black Santa stickers because you want one on a couple of cards and make them really special, you know, hit my shop up because it's going to be a real black man. I know that was a little shade, but guess what? I'm keeping it real. That's what my readers, I'm sorry, that's what my followers are coming to like about me. They love my personality and what I'm going to say to them. So it's like that. What else is going on? I think that's about it. Yeah, I think that's about it. I'm so excited today. I wasn't going to do a video today, but when my husband brought this to me, I was so happy. Now, ladies, let's get information here. You know the deal. You want to see these nice things coming into your craft room and they're not coming out of your pocket. You know what you have to do. You know how to please your man, and you know how to keep him happy. And I'm not talking about those that, you know, your relationship are all screwed up right now. We're not talking about them. We're talking about those that are happily married like myself. And, you know the things that you got to do. Oh, we are talking about the people that may be going through something in their marriage. Figure it out, work it out, do what you got to do, twerk it on them. You know, yeah, twerk. And get it figured out. Work it out. Okay? Anyway, I gotta go. So I will talk to you guys later, and I will come back with hopefully more stuff and to share. Bye.